want to know how to build your nail business, want to know how to create your prices. I get asked all the time, how can I make my prices for my nails? How can I charge my buy-up? How can I come up with the prices? How do I work out how much it costs me? Don't base your prices on what Mary down the road is charging. Don't base your prices on what the salon down the road is charging. Their prices are completely different to your prices. Your overheads are completely different to their overheads. What it costs them to do a set of buy-up is completely different to what it costs you to do a set of buy-up. You need to work out exactly how much the product costs you, how much your rates are, how much your rent is, how much your electricity is, how much your phone bills are, how much your booking systems are, how much your payment systems are. There's so much that goes into the cost of you running your business. If you need help figuring out the costs of what it takes to run your business, you need to reach out to me. I'm Sarah Naylor and I'm here to help you nail it in your beauty business. I work with the local enterprise office to offer business consultancy and mentoring. I also work with so many other women in business that can help you, whether it's accountants or PR, branding specialists. There's so many people out there that can help you, and I can help you touch base with them and make friends with them and get them to help you in your beauty business. But let's get back to pricing your buy-up. So let's work out how much it should cost you to do a natural set of buy-up, right? With no extensions, just on a natural nail. What you need to take into consideration is how much is it after costing you to buy that bottle of buy-up? Let's say it costs you €15. Now, how much is it after costing you to buy your top coat and your base coat? Let's say that cost us €20. Now what we have to think about is all of the disposables. So your cotton pads, your swipe, your nail file, your steel tools, the barbicide for your steel tools to go into. So let's, for argument's sake, say it's after costing you about €2.30 for that. Just for argument's sake. So if I add all of them up, that comes to €37.30. Now, let's say we get 25 sets of buy-up out of the base coat and the top coat and the bottle of buy-up. That works out at it's costing you €1.60 just for the products that you're using to do one set of buy-up. Now, that's not taking into consideration your rent, your overheads, all of the other things that come into play when it comes to running your own business. So what you now need to take into consideration is how much it costs you per hour to run that business. How much it costs you, how much does it cost you to run your business on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a yearly basis. The only way you're going to work this out is if you get out those books, you go through everything with a fine-tooth comb, work out exactly how much you pay for electricity, exactly how much you pay for your ESB bills, your gas bills, your telephone bills, your credit card machine, your rent, your rates, your insurance, everything that goes into working out what it costs you to be in that business. You're going to work it out on a yearly basis, then break it down over the month, and then you're going to break it down over the week, and then you're going to break it down over the day, and then you're going to break it down over each hour. So if it costs you 20 grand per year to run your business, you'll divide that down by 12 to get how much it costs you per month. Then you're going to divide the 20 grand out by 52 to figure out how much it costs you to run it over 52 weeks. I know sometimes you're going to be closed for 2 weeks here and there for holidays and stuff like that, but you still need to work your costs out over a 52-week basis. Then you're going to work it out as how much it costs you per day. So if you're open over 5 days, you'll divide by 52, then divide that number down by 5 days. If you're going to work it out by hour, you're going to work out how many hours your business is open for. So if it's open for 40 hours over the week, you're going to have to work it out over the 40 hours. This is what's going to give you your hourly cost to be in that business. So if it's costing you €25 to be in that business an hour, you need to then charge for the rest of the time that you're going to be in that business to make profit. So there's no point in you only charging €25 for a set of buy-up if it's costing you €25 to be in that business before you even add on the cost of the products. So don't be a busy fool. work out exactly how much it costs you per hour to be in the business. Then you need to work out exactly how much it costs you to do each service. So if you do BIAB, you need to work out how much it costs you to do that service. If you do gel nails, you need to work out how much it costs you to do that service. If you do lashes, if you do brows, if you do hair extensions, you need to work out exactly how much it costs you to do each of those services based on the amount of product that you use, the amount of time that you use, the amount of money it costs you to be in that business per hour. And that's how you make your prices. You don't make your prices based on what Mary down the road is charging or the salon around the corner is charging. If it's costing you €25 an hour to be in your business and €1.60 for the product to do your BIAB, you need to be getting paid a good amount of money to do that service. So there's no point in you only charging €30 because you're only breaking even. You want to work out how much you want to pay yourself per hour or pay your staff per hour. So if you want to pay yourself €40 an hour, your BIAB's going to have to cost €70. So listen, you just need to get realistic with your numbers. There's so many financial advisors out there that will help you work out your numbers. I can help you work out your numbers. I can help you work out your prices. Reach out to me. I'm Sarah Naylor, and my goal is to help you make money in your beauty business. So if you want to nail it in your beauty business, reach out to me. I'm always here, happy to help you.